Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best air hammer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sunex MediumTasks air hammer. This Sunex air hammer was Amazon's choice for medium-duty air hammer, and it's clear why. This power tool comes with an aluminum casing, a 3 3/4 piston stroke, and a spring retainer that allows users to change the .401-inch Parker taper shank chisels quickly. With its lightweight aluminum body, this tool is not designed for heavy use but is perfect for medium jobs. Needles are included, while bits and an air hose are sold separately. One purchaser reported that the retainer is perfect and holds the attachments true. Would recommend if medium is what's needed. Reasonably easy to use and control, while another added, a great gun for auto mechanics. Don't expect this gun to produce in heavy-duty applications. Good tool for the money. The quick release is definitely a time saver. Moving on at number 4, we have the Chicago Pneumatic heavy-duty air hammer. Manufacturing quality power tools. This Chicago Pneumatic air hammer kit is known for its ability to tackle heavy-duty tasks like removing metal body panels or its bolt shearing capabilities. This tool is also great for automotive work since it's light and has a balanced trigger that allows users to control the power output, making it easy to control. The biggest drawback of this tool is that the barrel is too narrow for a quick-release tool holder, but it does come with a case, 4 chisels, and a 1-year warranty. This hammer has lots of power for use in the garage, raved one customer. Cutting off the rivets on trucks to replace the spring shackles used to be difficult. This hammer makes that job easy. Another buyer added, I have been a mechanic for almost 9 years and swear by this air hammer. I use it daily and holds up very well. A coworker of mine has the same hammer and has been using his for 15 years. At number 3, we have the AirCAT medium stroke air hammer. With one of the best ergonomic handles that is designed to reduce wear to users' arms, wrists, and hands, this AirCAT air hammer is ideal for extended use. Due to AirCAT's patented muffler technology, the compressed air creates less kickback while lowering the sound level. The average air consumption is around 90 psi. This tool comes with a 2-year warranty and is designed for light to medium-duty tasks. One 5-star air hammer review reads, works as expected. Just like the rest of the AirCAT tool line, this will not let you down. Hold on tight as this can get away from you real quick. The only problem is finding bits that can hold up to the power this guy can put out. At number 2, we have the Ingersoll Rand 119MAXK Long Barrel Air Hammer Kit. This Ingersoll Rand durable air hammer is perfect for heavy-duty tasks and is specifically designed for vehicle and truck repairs. Manufacturing quality power. The handle is designed to reduce shock and has an anti-slip grip, while vibration is diminished significantly by the internal anti-vibration device. What's more, the swivel air inlet is designed to keep the hose from bending while in use. One buyer wrote, I had about a dozen rivets I needed to knock out of a truck frame. After grinding the heads off, I tried to knock them out with a punch and sledgehammer, but they would not budge. I ordered this one, and the next day this air hammer blasted all the rivets right out with ease. And finally at number 1, we have the Chicago Pneumatic air hammer. For a versatile and general all-purpose air hammer, nothing was better recommended than this Chicago air hammer. This pneumatic tool uses an average CFM of 6.25 at 90 psi and has a stroke of 67 mm, at maximum power, to cut through most standard tasks. Like other air tools, this set includes 5 chisels, from a steel cold rivet, bore, and a chisel rivet shank, as well as a quick change retainer to swap attachments quickly. All parts are heat-treated, including its heat-treated piston, for durability, and one purchaser expressed, hits decently hard and has a nice progressive valve, so if you buck rivets it's controllable, not overly heavy in the hand, while another mentioned that with the vibration, comes tons of power to glide through rivets and chisel through masonry and concrete. Cuts a grade 8.5-inch bolt within 5 seconds with the right cutter. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.